It can seem like there's always new challenges when you're a small business owner. And usually, they're all on you to figure out. Because chances are you do it all, whether it's helping customers, hiring employees, or just handling everyday tasks. But even when it feels like you're doing it all, it most likely takes a team effort to do what you do. You trust the team you've hired and try to find talented employees who will help you succeed. But unfortunately, that's not always how it goes. Having employees can be super helpful, but it can also mean having to handle a whole list of various complaints that could turn into claims against your business. That's why having good business insurance is so important. If you have people working for you, you need employment practices liability insurance. If you already have a business owner's policy with us, then you probably have this insurance coverage, because in most states, it's included. If you don't, you'll want to get it as soon as you can, because EPLI is essential for small business owners. But why do you need it? And what is employment practices liability insurance exactly? EPL insurance helps cover you against serious issues you could be accused of for employment-related claims. Claims like discrimination, sexual harassment, or wrongful termination. And many people don't realize that even if these things haven't happened, you can still be sued for them. That's why business owners need employment practices liability insurance. Because even if you don't think you've done anything wrong, you could still be faced with a lawsuit. Whether you've done everything exactly right or may have slipped up and made an error with employment-related issues, this insurance coverage can help keep you protected and keep your business from having to close its doors. Because without EPLI coverage, you'd have to pay any defense costs out of your own pocket if an employee puts out a claim against you. But having it means these claims can be covered. What kind of claims are we talking? Well, let's say you interview several candidates for an opening at your office. When you hire the guy who just graduated versus the woman with 3 children, she files a discrimination claim. Or let's share a scenario that you're not even part of. When you're not at work, one of your employees constantly makes inappropriate jokes. You end up with a lawsuit for sexual harassment. Unfortunately, these kinds of situations and wrongful acts happen all the time. When you're dealing with all different types of people, you never know what they can say or do, or what you might be accused of as a business owner. But whether it's an accusation or an accident that ends up becoming a claim in court, we've got your back. Our employment practices liability insurance was made to cover the issues you may face as a business owner. That's because we're committed to making life easier for the small businesses we cover and making sure you have the kind of insurance coverage that fits your company best. See what it's like to work with an insurance company that puts you first. Get your fast and free EPL insurance quote today.